In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a character have the same voice in Magnific AI Mobile. The goal here is simple. Once you pick a voice for your character, you'll keep it consistent across every line you generate. I'll walk you through the exact path in the app and explain the settings that matter so your results sound uniform and professional. Start by opening Magnific AI on your phone. On the main screen, look to the bottom navigation and tap AI Suite. This is where all the creative tools live. Next, choose Audio, then select Voice Generator. You're now in the workspace that turns your text into speech. Before generating anything, set the voice you want to stick with. Tap Speaker and pick the voice that best represents your character. This choice becomes your anchor. Make a note of the speaker name so you can reuse it every time you record more lines for the same character. Now tap the settings icon to fine-tune how that voice behaves. First, choose a model. Some models prioritize speed, while others deliver richer expression. If you're focused on consistency for a character, select the same model each session to avoid subtle differences. Choose your output format next. MP3 is efficient for sharing, while WAV preserves full quality for editing. Then pick a voice style that fits your character's personality. Calm, energetic, dramatic, whatever matches the role. Keep the style the same for every line to maintain continuity. Adjust the similarity control to tell the generator how closely to follow the selected speaker's characteristics. Higher similarity locks in the signature tone. Slightly lower values can add natural variation. Aim for a setting that sounds authentic without drifting from the core voice, and keep it consistent across sessions. When everything looks right, tap Generate. That's it. The app will create your audio using the speaker, model, format, style, and similarity you set. For future lines, return to Voice Generator, pick the exact same speaker, and reuse the same settings before you generate. Do that, and your character's voice will stay reliably the same from scene to scene.